Revisiting the past, the power of rehash old memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases. Today, we're exploring the phrase, rehash old memories. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also help you express a very common human experience. So, let's get started. Rehash old memories means to bring back past experiences or events into your mind or conversation. The word, rehash, typically means to go over again or to discuss anew. When combined with old memories, it specifically refers to the act of recalling, discussing, or thinking about events from the past. This phrase is often used when people are reminiscing about the past, sharing stories, or reflecting on experiences they've had. It can be a joyful, nostalgic, or sometimes even a bittersweet activity. You can use rehash old memories in both formal and informal contexts, but it's more commonly found in casual, conversational settings. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used. 1. During reunions, it was great to meet up and rehash old memories with my college friends. 2. In storytelling, my grandparents loved to rehash old memories of their youth. 3. While looking at old photos, looking through these photo albums really makes us rehash old memories. It's a versatile phrase that helps in connecting with others by sharing personal histories and experiences. Rehashing old memories can have a significant emotional impact. It can strengthen bonds between people by sharing common experiences and feelings. It can also evoke a sense of nostalgia, making people long for the past or appreciate the moments they've lived. However, it's important to be mindful as it can sometimes bring up sad or painful memories. The key is to approach these conversations with sensitivity and empathy. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, rehash old memories. It's a beautiful way to connect with others, reflect on your past, and even learn from experiences. So next time you're catching up with someone, don't hesitate to dive into your treasure trove of memories. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and phrases, it's about understanding the stories and emotions they convey. Happy learning!